guys, Dan here, welcome back to another reaction. Just want to do a quick little thing, yeah. Just do a little quickly, that the next couple of reactions, like I've just gone back from a doctor's appointment. I have a medical video that I have to film and put up, but it should be done. But so the next couple of reactions, like starting from tomorrow, Thursday, I've got some medical procedures that I've got to do, so that's going to delay when I have to film the reactions when I get back. So I'm just letting you guys know in this one that, yeah, I'm going to be like a bit delayed with when they get uploaded. So hope you guys understand that. This will all make sense when I do make this medical video. So yeah, so anyway, let's just get into Coco PD, because fucking Ruzik and Upton got shit to do, and this is so annoying. Around the table like a fan. Whoa! That was such a little fit. I know what they're doing, but it's great. I'm gonna finish my wedges from the hospital. Why is it on the second floor again? It's always the same thing. Sir. What the f? It just jumped over the thing? Oh, dude, you're dead. Call it in. There's nothing to call in here. He's got a corpse on the ground now. It's an intense start of the episode. Oh, jeez. Oh, and I'm eating. There's drugs in. Oh. Oh my god! Of course, those two have to be as good. What is she wearing, by the way?
What's up, Brian? Hi. This is Jake.
Tits are on display.
Spiro Downey, rookie, Greektown. He's got a clean record. He owns a Scorpion club.
Yeah.
Pretty well for himself. Suspiciously well. I asked the forfeiture to run the financials for his club, and the numbers.
That was a neighbor. If you heard that yelling.
Until 6 months ago.
Oh god. Oh my god, this outfit is worse than the fucking last. Her tits look like they're about to fucking explode out of that dress. I would be so uncomfortable with my boobs squished off that high. Ugh.
That's my dad.
Awkward. Damn, those jeans are tight. I fucking look good, so not complaining.
Turns out he's not such a good guy.
That's gonna make her talk, maybe. Hopefully. Fuck. That was easy.
Tell me what you need me to do.
Oh, bitch, I hope you don't die. Good chance that you probably will, but I hope you don't. Oh my god. Why is he staring at us? Adam, why won't you tell him if she died?
I took photos on it the other day.
Oh no, did she die? My fuck. No, please tell me she's not dead. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, the poor bitch.
Patrol guys outside knocking on doors and looking for witnesses, but so far nothing.
You really think someone's gonna talk?
You're getting serious right now.
Oh, I think she's deadly. Good on you, Haley. Good on you. You got some big fucking balls.
You should have told me. 4:15 a.m.
Oh god.
Right, according to the ME, Rita died at 2 a.m.
So glad I'm out of those clubbing days. Fuck that.
I got something closer to his face.
It took 10 minutes to fucking kill her.
Working backwards from high.
Come on, Adam. Everyone can see it that he's up.
These guys from multiple felonies.
You fuckwit. See,
Like what? It doesn't matter what. These guys are bad cops.
why tell him? This is gonna get shit fucked up.
Get out.
Adam! Oh, for fuck's sake. We can't trust you as close as we can fucking throw you.
No, but for a moment of your time. I actually gotta go audition some children.
Adam, what are you doing?
She's Ukrainian, she don't speak English. Alright. Be rich kids for me. Alright, honey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Be rich kids go to the North
Well, you weren't allowed to touch the strippers.
Guy, in Sicily. I grew up with nothing. I had 3 years in the state though for aggravated battery.
Did you say Sicily?
It was your... Be sure you tip the girl.
Oh, now he has to... Oh my god! Okay, that was funny.
Positive.
No, no, no! No!
You think
Mm.
your father might be dirty?
Yes.
He could compromise you or Atwater.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not letting you.
Oh, no one get fucked up, bro. Oh, we're all so nervous. Fuck this. Oh, why? You closing the garage door? No, oh my god, they're closing it. They're so outnumbered, they're about to get fucked up. Mm. Mm. Oh, god. Oh! Oh, this is making me so uneasy.
What is he doing? We got a problem. Bob's going into the building.
Everybody hold.
What the fuck? This is because Adam told him. Fucking hell.
Find good help these days.
Don't.
Be spirit.
Oh my god. Come on. Come on, Jay. You can fucking run, man. Come on, Jay. Oh, yes. Come on. I love how all these doors are conveniently unlocked for them to just run through, but... Oi!
That you were probably in there, and I wanted to help. You know, give you some backup in case things wouldn't stop. Something that never happened. I couldn't do it myself.
No, you two go to fuck because he's upset.
I really appreciate it.
No.
They also told us your old man didn't know a damn thing about the drugs, murders, none of it.
Oh.
Crack a vicious drug ring. Do that? What he did? I dated the paperwork. Hey, it's your father. He's his family.
I knew it was gonna end like that, motherfucker. Oh, okay. Show me next week's promo. Okay, so no promo for next week. That's a bit weird. Now I have to go to YouTube and find one. But okay, I swear Derek, you're doing something to make me cry. Why? Why do you have to try and make me cry every episode? But I didn't go where I thought it was going to go. Like, in the promo it showed that his dad was going to be a dirty cop, and the way that they edited it, I thought he shot someone, but he was good, and he was just a naive little fucker that didn't know what was going on. I'm so sad he got married and then he did this thing. I think I'm kind of being okay with them sleeping together though, Adam and Hailey. But we didn't get much Antonio, Kim, or Jay, or Kevin. I'm a little sad about that because I love Jay and I love Antonio, and Kim's a badass and Kevin is just awesome, and we didn't get much of them. I love the start though, that little... Was they at dinner? It looked like they were at dinner and they were all there and trading, and it was like a little family dinner night, and it was so... that part was... It was a great filler. Like, I loved it, and I think I'm going to start crying again, but I'm going to try to stop before I do. So that was this reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Tell me your thoughts on this episode. If you like me and want to see more of me, you can hit that subscribe button down there. You know what to do to be a cheeky fucker. And other than that, I will see you next Wednesday with another Chicago PD reaction. Bye! Oh, also, if you're still here at the end of this and like you saw something, tomorrow's Arrow reaction and on Friday's Supernatural reaction may be delayed. Like I said, I have some medical procedures that are happening those 2 days, and they're going to happen for the next couple of weeks, so it's going to delay the reactions from now on. They may be up later on the scheduled days, which is Wednesday, which is like today, Thursday and Friday. If not, they'll be like on the week on Saturday. Try to get them out when I get back from these procedures, but nothing else I can do. And like I said, there's a medical video I'm planning to do which will explain all this.